A stroke is the disease affecting the brain's arteries and occurs when the blood flow to the brain is interrupted, either due to a blockage or a ruptured blood vessel. Stroke, which is caused by a blood clot, is called ischemic stroke. In everyday life, blood clotting is beneficial when there is a bleeding. Platelet immediately rush to the damaged blood vessel and get ready to take action. Once they reach to the site of injury, the platelets undergo a transformation. Activated platelets spread the tentacles much like an octopus and block the damaged area. Structure that traps blood cells and eventually forms a clot that stops the bleeding. In the case of stroke, however, these clots are dangerous as they can obstruct arteries. There are two ways an ischemic stroke can occur. Embolic stroke occurs when a blood clot forms within the body and travels with bloodstream, eventually becoming large in one of the smaller blood vessels in the brain. The name embolic comes from the word embolus, which refers to the blood clots that traverse through the bloodstream. The second kind of ischemic stroke is thrombotic stroke. As the blood flows through the arteries, it may leave behind the cholesterol plaques that stick to the inner wall of the arteries. Over time, these plaques can narrow the arteries and prevent blood from passing through. The name thrombus comes from the word which refers to the blood clot that forms in a blood vessel. Strokes can not only be caused by the blockages but also by a ruptured blood vessel in the brain. This type of stroke is called hemorrhagic stroke. There are a number of risk factors, one of which is high blood pressure. The hemorrhagic strokes are generally considered to be the deadliest type of stroke. The mortality rate annually is about 50%, with half of these deaths occurring within the first 2 days. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like to know what to do to reduce your risk of experiencing a stroke, please watch my series of videos on vascular diseases, blood pressure, cholesterol, and smoking.